Let's take a quick look at Imperva Rasp in action as it detects and neutralizes a backdoor. In this scenario, let's assume that we bought an application from a trusted supplier called Acme. The application provides market research on companies that we can invest in. We trust our supplier, but unfortunately, they've been compromised and a bad actor has been able to modify the source code that's in one of the DLLs that make up the application. The modified code does a number of things. It reaches out to several external servers. It reads sensitive files. It runs operating system commands and uses a hashing algorithm to cover its tracks. Also in the demo, we'll see Rasp neutralizing the attacks, and we'll see Rasp event data in Splunk, where we can see the details that help us to identify the unexpected backdoor behavior from the Acme app. Okay, let's take a look at Rasp in action on our Acme application that has the backdoor baked into it. And here you can see I'm just working with Acme. I'm typing in some stock ticker symbols. I'm getting a little bit of information back. Everything seems normal. No surprises here. Application just doing what it normally does. However, if I happen to type in a particular stock ticker symbol, if you notice down here in the console window that some strange things seem to be happening. The application seems to be trying to read the password file on the operating system. It seems to be trying to run different operating system commands, looking at various files. It looks like it's trying to encrypt some data, reaching out to some strange websites that don't really make a whole lot of sense in the context of this particular application. So definitely some weird things going on here. Now, the bad guys are clever, and you'll notice that if I type in back to the original stock ticker symbol, that all that weird activity behind the scenes stops. So they're trying to hide their tracks a little bit and only have the malicious code active under certain conditions. Now, fortunately, Rasp is actually already installed in this application. I'm just going to switch modes for Rasp to make it go into protect mode. So before it was just monitoring, now it's going to take some active countermeasures here. So the application is running as it normally is. I'm going to go ahead and type in my stock ticker symbols as usual. And you can see the application operates just as it normally would. And in this case, these are all the good stock ticker symbols. Everything's going fine. But remember, I type in my bad guy's preferred stock ticker symbol. And now you can see that the application wakes up behind the scenes and that backdoor code is trying to operate. But you'll notice this time that all of those attempts to read files or run operating system commands or reach out to those external servers are all being shut down by the application. So Rasp is in place and it's neutralizing all of those attacks before they actually happen. So the application is now running in a safe mode versus an unsafe mode as earlier. So now if we shift gears a little bit, we'll take a look at our Splunk dashboard, and we can see all of this Rasp event data in our Splunk interface. And here you can see there have been a number of attacks that have occurred over a particular period of time. We'll go ahead and drill down into some of the details to see what exactly is going on here. And it's kind of interesting. I can see over time some strange things have been happening, which I really didn't expect. Path traversal, command injection, things like that. I really didn't expect those things to happen. And I have details here that allow me to see that really something strange is happening with this application. It's reading the password file, reaching out to strange servers, running weird operating system commands that I didn't expect. And if I drill down into the details of one of the issues, this gives me a lot more insight into what exactly is going on. I can see that it looks like there was a problem with command injection in this .NET application. I can see specifically what the command was that was ran, pwd. Didn't expect that to occur. I can see things like the environment variables that were set by the application. I can see the file name, the line number, the stack trace. So this gives me all the information I need to figure out exactly what this application is doing and where it's doing it inside the application in the code itself. And that allows me to figure out, hey, wait a minute, looks like there's a backdoor in this code. Good thing Rasp was here because it neutralized that attack.